making this course, with this intention of this course, was that to make the real, how really we can genuinely, we can help human being in our family, in our society, in our community, in our country, as well as throughout the globe. Because this COVID situation, though it has given us so much fear, trauma, anxiety, depression, sleep disorders, addictions, and so many things, sexual abuse, physical abuse, mental abuse, but the opportunity also it has provided many opportunity. We all know wherever there is darkness, there is light. So this is the opportunity. You are here today, and I'm really glad to connect with you all emotionally. Though we are physically apart, we are connected emotionally and spiritually. And here comes the modern science, the quantum physics in these days. And mental health professionals are in demand. So much people, they should come up to the society. Everywhere there is need of mental health professionals. And this is my intention to make this course. Because in this course, what I have put it in, like, we have made psychotherapy, integrative psychotherapy, we have put ancient wisdom, we have put some holistic techniques, so that the pupil can, the psychologist can extend their help to every organization as well, not only one-to-one session, what we are doing as well, that one-to-one session, and also extending help to organization, as well as we are making trainings, events, and courses. So whoever will be taking this course, they can heal themselves, they can heal others, they can provide the treatment, proper treatment, as well as they can extend their energy to all the organizations in the form of awareness programs, trainings, workshops, events. This is a 6-month course, but there are more other trainings and more other projects as well. So in alignment with this course and in alignment with making a peaceful, loving, sustainable humanity. Because these all are our state. Peace is our state.
I'll be sharing some details about the structure, how we try to build the course. So first, this will be a 6-month online course along with a 2-month online internship at Sri. There will be twice a week classes. Duration of each online live class will be of 2 hours. In case any student fails to attend the live class, the recording of the session will be provided. In the last 2 months of the course, there will be one additional day for internship. In the internship, the students will be involved in the therapy sessions, and they will have the opportunity to explore their practical skills. The resource materials and the worksheets will be provided. And we will be building a WhatsApp group with the faculty members and the students, where the students can clarify their doubts. After completion of the course, there will be a final assessment. Certificates will be provided for the course and the internship.
Board offer, wherein by 31st, if the students register, for them the total course will be for 7,500 rupees. Now out of the 7,500 rupees, 2,500 rupees they have to pay at the time of registration, and the remaining 5,000 rupees shall be paid when the course begins. For the professionals, if they register for the course by 31st January, for them the course fees will be 8,500 rupees, out of which 2,500 they will pay while registering, and the remaining 6,000 they shall pay when the course begins. Now we understand that a lot of people may be wanting to taking time to think and registering even later. So even after 31st January, people can register, but for them the course charges will be different. So after the 31st, if the students are enrolling, for them the total course fees will be 8,000 rupees, out of which 2,500 rupees they will pay while registering for the course. Similarly, for the professionals, if they register after 31st January, for them the course fees will be 9,000 rupees, out of which 2,500 rupees they shall pay when they're registering for the course, and the remaining they can pay when the course begins. And we also have the option of two-part installments. For that, if people want to avail installments, for them the charges will be 1,000 rupees more
as well. And for itself, yes, from BA, BSc, MA, MSc, and mental health, budding mental health professionals, all can join this course.